Hello guys, this is Shefali Dawar, and in this video I'm going to tell you guys basically all about CRM, that what is CRM and why there is so much boom about CRM in the market right now. And so yeah, just started. So guys, basically CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management. By its name only you are able to understand that what it is. Basically we are managing the relationships with our customer. So right now the question is going to be about who is the customer, right? So customer, whosoever is interested in our service, whosoever we are doing collaboration with, and or what you can say is that whosoever can be considered as customer with which we are doing our businesses. Okay, so this is basically what we called as customer. And to managing all the relationships what we have done with our customer, all of those things are managed under one platform which we called as CRM, that is Customer Relationship Management, where all the records of your customer, all the databases of your customer, all the transaction whatever you have done with your customer till now, and all over the cases what they have registered, all over the problems what they have faced while doing the transaction, all of those things are comes under one platform which is CRM. So basically in today's time there are few CRMs which are quite popular for like Zoho, Lead Squad, Salesforce, Freshers, Work, etc. Now the question is all about why CRM is important, right? Why there is so much boom about CRM, like why all of the companies are switching on CRM. So the main answer of this problem is that because CRM solves all of our problems. Like basically we have to deal with Sales Cloud, we have to use somewhat software. To deal with Service Cloud, we have to use somewhat software. So all of the softwares and comes under one platform in the CRM only. So basically in CRM, the Sales Cloud, the Service Cloud, the Marketing Cloud, the Consultancy Cloud, all of the clouds are customized under one platform, and by using only one platform we are dealing with all of these modules. So that's why CRM is important, because it has improved our efficiency. Okay, the data has been centralized, teamwork has been improved, or you can say the quick responses we are getting if ever we have faced any sort of problem, or you can say that revenue has been increased by using CRM, because there has been quick transactions has been going on by using this only. So yeah, there are n number of benefits we get only and only by using CRM only. Now you have been amazed by hearing this, that all of the sectors like you can include healthcare, finance, IT, BPO, KPO, all of these sectors have been using CRM nowadays. Because for example in healthcare, so in Health Cloud all of the data of your patients has been recorded under one platform only. In IT sector, all of the queries of customer and support executives have been under only one platform. So and education and real estate also using CRM only by maintaining their client management system and so on. If you are doing work in any of those fields which I have mentioned you right now, that is KPO, BPO, IT, or education, or whatsoever, even if you think about n number of fields, then CRM is a powerful tool you can learn to enhance your skill and basically to get a more hike in your salary. Now the last but not the least most important question is that what are the job opportunities in CRM, like in how many ways one can earn their money by using CRM services. So in call centers and BPO there are CRM experts, quality analysts, and in healthcare there are patient relationship management executives. In IT sector there are Salesforce developers, Salesforce consultants. In e-commerce there are sales specialists and so on. So In each and every domain there are multiple sort of positions you will get to know and you can work on if you are using CRM. If you learn to use CRM, I am telling you guys, it is worth the hype. It is definitely going to enhance your salary in such a way that you even can't imagine. In today's video, I am just only letting you know that what is CRM basically. So in terms of CRM, if we talk about CRM, then Salesforce comes at number one position. Like Salesforce is basically a cloud based technology. It's a cloud based service which we take according to our needs. Basically company takes according to their needs and do operations so on according to their business requirements and whatsoever. Like it provides n number of services under one roof, that is sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud, consultancy cloud. All of the clouds have been come under only one platform. So particularly for this scenario, Salesforce is a must boom number one technology in the world right now. So in our next topic, I am going to let you guys basically know what is Salesforce and what they basically say. There is so much boom about Salesforce in the market nowadays. And till then, I have one question for you. Let me know guys basically what CRM you have been using in your domain in the comment section. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and share to your friends and whosoever wants to learn about CRM and wants to make their salary hike at to the next level. Till then, keep learning and keep growing.